Okay, Lou Mosca, Chief Operating Officer of American Management Services here in Orlando, Florida. Welcome to today's edition of Straight Talk. You know, I'm a very fortunate guy. I've gotten both of my doses of my Pfizer vaccine. My wife got her Johnson & Johnson the other day, and I'm so happy to see so many of our staff and so many of our family members lining up and rolling to get their vaccination. And as an owner, if you're an owner of a business, as an owner, you really need to reach out and encourage your folks as much as possible to get vaccinated. And everybody's going to have a million reasons why they might not want to do it, but there's one real good reason to do it, and that's to protect the people that you care about. You don't want to protect yourself, that's one thing. But if you want to protect the people that you care about, get the damn vaccination and encourage all your folks to do it. In fact, I read recently where Tractor Supply was paying bonuses to all their people to get vaccinated. I think that's a little overboard. I think you can educate and encourage people to get vaccinated, and I think you can have a really good impact. But if you want to help move this pandemic out of our lives or back it up dramatically, come on. Get it yourself, encourage your folks to do it. You want to call me and ask how it impacted me, give me a call, 800-743-0410. I'll tell you about my first vaccination. I'll tell you about my second vaccination, okay? That I'm thrilled to death that I've got it done, because I've booked to go see my grandkids who I haven't seen in almost a year and a quarter now, and I'm thrilled to death with that. And I want you to be as happy about your life as I am, all right? So, glad to see you today on Straight Talk. If you like what you heard here, ring the bell, subscribe, do whatever Jonathan tells me I'm supposed to say to you, okay? But otherwise, have a great day.